In today's tutorial, we're going to be looking at room data templates. If we go to our Project Explorer and select our Store Main Equipment room, you can see that we have a room type 004 Office template applied to this room. This means that the room data, the equipping list, is all driven from this template. So if we look at the room data section, you can see that I've got a number of overrides here that don't correspond to the original specification or the design template for this room. We can make an override change simply by selecting alternate value and clicking save. You can see now that the text has changed to a green colour. This indicates an override. If we decide that this is actually a valid change and we want to push these changes back into the template to affect every other room, we can simply go to Room, Room Type, Room Data Template, and Update. CodeBook will now ask for the password, and it will say this function will update the library template to reflect the edits made in this current room. Do you wish to continue? So in short, it means for every room using the DS004 design template will now have the updated green values pushed into their corresponding fields. So we can click yes, and this will now have an impact on all rooms using this template. So it's a very quick way within a room editor to actually make this change, push it back to the templates editor, and push that back out to all the other rooms. The only time where a design template change will not be initiated is if in an alternate room that has the room type 004 also has a green text override field. That will be left in situ because it's already a design override. The alternate way of making a change to a template is to select Build and Templates, and we can select a RT007. And if I wanted to perhaps make a change to a finish used in all of the finish FN007 bedrooms, I go to File, Allow Editing. I can change the finish and click Save. Now every room using that template will have that new data passed across to it. This is great for individual templates, but we may actually want to do this on bulk. So what we can do is we can go to Manage, Room Tasks, and we have a Room Templates option in here, so we can perform an action on a selection of rooms. So if I wanted to perhaps make room types on bulk and room templates, I can drag and drop the rooms in question from a Project Explorer, click the option to make room types and room data templates. We now have the option of how we want to code those, because CodeBook's going to have to create a code for these on the fly. So I'm going to use room code, and I'm going to click Apply. So this is now being completed, and we can see the new room types, the RT25 and 28, have been created. We can now enter any other room and apply these as a template. Alternatively, if I've made design changes in a number of rooms, and I want to go through each room and individually pass these changes across, what I can do is go to Update Room Type Templates and Room Data Type Templates. I can drag the rooms I want into the build list. Where there's been a design override, and I want that to affect all templates and all rooms using that template, I can then click Apply Task, and these changes will be passed across to the templates editor, which will in turn pass these changes across into each and every room. So we can see that's now completed. That concludes the tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact support@codebookinternational.com. Thank you.